I've made a rule. I can't go thrifting until I've sewn 52 pieces of fabric from my fabric stash because I'm breaking up with my shopaholic habits. I've simply spent too much time collecting fabric and not getting rid of anything. So it's time to change things. By the end of this challenge, I hope to get rid of this entire pile from my fabric stash by turning it into clothes for myself to wear and you. I'll be updating my online store with pieces that I create. There's definitely going to be something unique for everyone. Well, this pile is big. I better start sewing. For Project 16, I'll be transforming this king-size bedsheet into a royal robe. This robe shall have a hood to hide away if you want, pockets to store trinkets, have a slight bell sleeve so it doesn't get in the way too much, and I'll be adding in side panels to give myself a sewing challenge. I want it to be like, have a billow factor as you walk, to like billow behind you. So I'm going to try to see if that design will come into fruition or it's going to take a completely different route. But let's go to the floor. I have found a good use for all my vintage chalices. Huh. Sewing weights, who knew? I have cut out the sleeves. I guess what's left is to create like two triangles that I think I'm going to put between the panels of the front and the back. And maybe that will add more billow. I have no idea. I'm just making it up as I go along. So let's have fun cutting those out. That is like the ultimate cameo. You can barely see it. Like, where is my piece? Okay, I've got most of my pieces cut out, excluding the pockets. I'll do those later. Feeling pretty good about it. We're off to a great start. I have a meeting I have to go to, so I'm gonna take a little break. But when we come back, we're gonna start piecing them together. I'm excited. Well, what do you know? It's been the next day. I have an exciting thing to share. You see this lamp in the corner? I have literally been searching for it for months, and now I have manifested it finally for, guess how much? $5. That beautiful lamp was $5. Mind you, it did not work. There was something wrong with the electrical, but I was like, I can get it to work. And I did. My partner self-fixed it. I didn't personally fix it, but he knows his electrical and wires and such. It wasn't that difficult to figure out. It's a touch sensor lamp, and so that was just burnt out because it's old, because it's vintage. So now I have a unicorn lamp, and I'm very excited. Okay, so now we're getting back into the robe. I have all my pieces cut out, so now I'm just going to sew them all together. The these are the side panels that will go like right here. And they'll be like attached to the front and the back. Again, I don't know if it's gonna look good, but we're gonna try it. Okay. Put the sleeves together. Very nice, very nice. I'm pretty stoked with how it's turning out. It's a little bit difficult to work with, but we're rolling with it. Absolutely love the coloring. It's perfect. This is another struggle of, do I keep this or do I sell it? That is what happens every time I make something, because I just love it so much. It's getting pretty hot in my studio, so I'll be working intermittently throughout the day. I think this is a good spot to stop. I have some work to do, but when I come back, we'll put the side panels in and the hood. I'm back. I'm gonna make the pockets. I think I'm gonna use this book as the template because I think they are the perfect size, and then they'll shrink a little bit smaller. I just like really don't want to draw a rectangle from scratch, so this will do. Upon some consideration, I've made one pocket, and it's just like a little tad too small, and as I was like putting it up there, I just think this robe is just saying to me, don't add pockets. So, not adding pockets. I think I'm gonna go and add the hood and then add the side panels, and then I'll meet y'all back when we're done. Yeah. Project 16 is complete. Oh my goodness, I adore it. I really want to keep it as my own because it's just amazing. Like, the material itself was so beautiful, turned out fantastic. There are a few mistakes that I made technically, like putting it together, but I don't care because the overall vibe, pretty wicked. Let's waste no time and see the reveal.